Hello and welcome to UC Today. I'm Senior Editor Tom Wright and I'm here at UC Expo in London with Joe from GoTo. How's it going, Joe?
All good, Tom. Great to be here today. I always feel really energized at these events. It's great. Great activity.
Yeah, it's fantastic around here. It's really busy as well, which is great. The event's in full swing. What kind of trends are you picking up on early on in the event?
It's hard to get away from where we're all working, isn't it? Like, so much is about virtual work and staying connected to employees and staying connected to customers. That's a real common theme throughout the event. So yeah, I think it's hard to get away from that. It's going to be around for a while.
And it's been a really big year for GoTo. You had the Rebrand earlier on in the year. You got the two clear platforms as well, which we'll talk about in a second. But just broadly, how's the Rebrand gone? How's it been received?
It's been really well received. We're kind of like really having launched GoTo, the new brand, the new identity, made it much easier for us to articulate our value proposition to our customers. Like, we've gone from 23 different brands, 23 different solutions to one brand, two products. You know, it's just very simple message. We're the all-in-one solution, the only all-in-one solution for essential connections, and that's, you know, keeping you connected to employees and customers through business communication tools and remote support and access and management tools.
Yeah, so you've got the two platforms that connect quite nicely together, which we'll go into in a second. But just talk us through how Connect and Resolve have been received, where you've been focusing and where you're seeing success.
Yeah, well, one of the big things in the market that we see, Tom, is like consolidation. Businesses actively want to buy more from fewer vendors. It makes it easier. It's like less vendors to manage, less contracts, less negotiations, and bringing our tools together. So bringing all our communication tools into GoTo Connect to be a complete unified communications as a service solution, and GoTo Resolve, which brings all the best components of a remote access, remote support, remote endpoint management, and mobile device management, has just been fantastic. It just makes it's a simple purchase. It's all in one solution. It's easy to buy. It's easy to understand the price. There's clear transparency with it, and they get all the functionality that they need. So yeah, it's been really well received, and really good feedback today, and every time we talk to customers about it.
Yeah, two really nice platforms there, but just tell us a bit about how they work together nicely, because it makes things a lot easier, particularly for SMBs, doesn't it?
Yeah, so to give you a quick example, a simple thing like a ticketing problem, right? So let's say, for example, you're using your meetings platform. For some reason, you're having an issue with it. You send an IT ticket you send a ticket to IT about it and say, look, I've got an issue, it needs to be fixed, right? The beauty of that ticket comes through our platform, right? So when IT click on that ticket, they already have the user details. They have all their history. They have their performance scores. They have everything they need to know about the solution that they're using. And they can instantly, with one click, start troubleshooting. They can run diagnostics. They can check the history of the person with a simple click. And that's how we bring those tools together. So it's not multiple solutions. It's not multiple apps. It's not lifting, shifting, and copy pasting information one platform into another. It's all there at the click of a button, and people can start fixing problems straight away.
And we talked about two components, but there's another big component that we haven't discussed yet that you can't forget, and that's customer support, customer engagement, customer experience. I know that's big for you guys as well. Just talk through what's happening there, and a recent announcement as well.
Yeah, so like a big thing for us and part of our rebrand is our essential connections story, right? And when we talk about essential connections, what we mean is businesses staying connected to their employees, right? And we've seen huge innovation, and we've really challenged the status quo about how people work, right? So people can work virtually, but they need all these technical touch points, these connections, be it meeting solutions, be it phone systems, be it chat functionality, be it webinar tools, to work with each other, to stay engaged and stay collaborative, and to maintain productivity of the organization. On the other side, you've got connectivity with customers, right? Customers have moved a huge amount of their activity into online and digital channels, right? So whether that's using web chat, whether that's engaging in social media, whether that's using online tools for procurement and e-commerce journeys, we give our businesses the tools to stay connected to their customers in an online world, right? So managing those essential connections between employees and essential connections with customers in a way that nobody else can. And the big unique offering that we have in that is the ability to manage those connections, right? So if you're a salesperson, you're working from home, and you can't join an outbound sales campaign, you're at risk of losing revenue straight away. You need to be able to help that person troubleshoot that problem there and then from a remote location with remote IT teams as well, right? So they can get back up and running straight away. The same if you work in customer service and you're managing inbound chats on the web chat platform, right? Again, if you can't access that, if for some reason you're having technical difficulties, that needs to be fixed there and then, or customer service takes a significant impact straight away. We're the only solution on the market that provides those tools to manage those connections and make sure they're maintained and that those essential connections are up as long as they can be.
Okay, I've just got one question for you, and it's so clear there's so much going on in the market at the moment. What's your one prediction for a trend that you expect to accelerate over the course of this year and into 2023 as well?
I don't think we've landed on where we're all going to work. No, I think that's the big thing. I think, it definitely feels like hybrid is the right solution. People want a bit of home and a bit of office, right, and a bit of anywhere when it's appropriate. But I don't think we find the right mix on that. I think there's a lot of empty offices out there. I think there's a lot of people that are fully remote that would like to have a bit of an office to go to. So I think we're going to see still significant transformation in office space and where we work and how we work. And I think that trend I don't know if we're going to answer that completely in 2023 because they're expensive investments, they're big decisions for businesses. It's going to roll on for the next couple of years.
Joe, it's been great talking to you, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Yeah, cheers, Tom. Appreciate it.